Tesla Giga Texas production speed changes everything. Tesla's investors had a wonderful year in 2021. The corporation joined the ranks of majors such as Microsoft, Alphabet, Google's parent company, and Facebook in having a market valuation of $1 trillion. Tesla's stock price continues to increase, and the electric vehicle company has done well for itself. Tesla currently produces 4 electric vehicles in various factories around the world. With the Cybertruck, semi-truck, second-generation Roadster, and $25,000 Model 2 on the way, the electric manufacturer still has a lot of work to do. Tesla needs the Gigafactories to complete its pledges to its consumers. Elon Musk refers to the Gigafactories as machines that build machines. The Gigafactories are critical not only for Tesla, but also for the entire IT industry. Why are these Gigafactories the way of the future, and what promises does Elon Musk have for us? Tesla unveiled its Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, a critical step in the company's delayed plans to begin production of its electric Cybertruck. Tesla sponsored a Cyber Rodeo event to honor the launch, inviting 15,000 people to listen to live music, consume food, and pay homage to Elon Musk and his firm. Musk addressed the gathering. "We are truly entering a new era of Tesla's future." Musk, dressed in a black cowboy hat and aviator sunglasses, expressed his delight at finally starting work on Cybertruck manufacturing. "I can't wait to see this thing in action. It's going to be awesome." Along with the new Cybertruck, Musk unveiled a new Roadster vehicle, which will go into production next year. He also hinted at a robotaxi that he described as very futuristic, but he didn't explain or provide any information. It is the company's 4th facility in the United States, following the vehicle factory in Fremont, California, the battery factory in Sparks, Nevada, and the solar factory in Buffalo, New York. Tesla also has a vehicle manufacturing facility outside of Shanghai, China, and has recently launched its first European factory outside Berlin, Germany. Tesla paid an estimated $5 million for the site outside of Austin, and a further $1.1 billion to develop the factory. "We need to be huge somewhere, and there's no place like Texas," Musk added. "We're going to do things on a very big scale." The achievement came less than 2 years after Musk announced that Austin would be the site of the company's future Gigafactory, and less than a year after Tesla officially relocated its headquarters from California to Texas. In addition to the new Gigafactory, Musk runs a SpaceX site in Brownsville, Texas, and he is said to be staying at a friend's multi-million-dollar mansion on a lake in Austin. Musk rejected the report, saying he now lives in a small home near Boca Chica. The construction of the new Gigafactory is intended to increase Tesla's capacity in the United States, which has long been limited by space issues. In 2018, the firm famously placed a tent outside its Fremont, California factory to help fulfill Model 3 production goals. Musk stated at the time that the company's California factory was bursting at the seams. Tesla has stated that it aims to produce 1.5 million vehicles in 2022, up from slightly less than 1 million vehicles last year, which is a 50% increase. Tesla's long-delayed Cybertruck is slated to be manufactured at the Texas facility beginning in 2023. The online reservation page was modified and subsequently removed from the site last year, indicating that the Cybertruck might be delayed. Musk stated that a few vehicles would be delivered to clients by the end of 2021. However, no deliveries were made. Since its first debut in 2019, the Cybertruck has undergone some revisions, including the inclusion of a hilariously large single windshield wiper, standard folding mirrors, and invisible door handles. In addition to the Cybertruck, Tesla also plans to build Model Ys and Model 3s destined for the East Coast, as well as the long-delayed Tesla Semi. The company has already started to build Model Y crossovers at the unfinished Texas Gigafactory in the 4th quarter of 2021, according to the company's latest earnings report. The Texas Gigafactory is situated on approximately 2,100 acres of property east of Austin-Bergstrom International Airport, with approximately 2 miles of exposure to the Colorado River in Texas. The corporation has stated that it will hire up to 5,000 people, with entry-level roles starting at $35,000. Tesla currently employs approximately 10,000 workers at its sole U.S. automobile manufacturing in Fremont. In response, Texas local government has awarded the corporation with tax benefits and incentives worth millions of dollars. According to Reuters, the local school system decided in 2020 to approve $50 million in tax cuts for Tesla, while Travis County commissioners approved a deal worth at least $14.7 million. However, the welcome has not been without strife. According to Bloomberg, local conservationists attempted to halt Tesla's Cyber Rodeo celebration last week, alleging traffic congestion, construction dust, and water pollution. Environmental groups have also criticized the company's Berlin manufacturing plan. More broadly, Tesla has been under fire for its labor policies and workplace safety problems, particularly at its Fremont manufacturing. The corporation was sued by California's Civil Rights Department for maintaining a racially segregated workplace. Last year, a judge awarded $137 million in damages to a black former Tesla employee who described a hostile work environment in which he heard everyday racist epithets, including the N-word, and was ordered to go back to Africa by coworkers. Tesla began looking for a new plant located in the United States in early 2020. Scouting sites for the Cybertruck Gigafactory will be in the middle of the United States, Musk tweeted on March 10th. Nashville, Tennessee was supposedly an early contender before Austin and Tulsa were named finalists. Tulsa officials and people made a lot of dramatic actions, such as painting a 70-foot-tall oil driller statue to look like Musk. The new facility opens as the company continues to suffer from factory shutdowns in Shanghai as the city implements rigorous lockdown measures in response to an increase in COVID-19 cases. Despite this, the firm reports strong sales in the first quarter of 2022, with 310,048 cars sold. This is the end of the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to get more videos in the Tech Edge channel. Keep on the lookout for the next video. Peace out.